posing, check. Run up a check. Get money, check. Still pretty, check. Keep posing, check. Run up a.
Okay, y'all. So my phone just got here. Okay, y'all. Okay. So my new phone is here. The iPhone XS. And before you try to come to me, or come to me in your head, I got this all by myself. My own money, so yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I feel like something's not gonna be right though, so I'm just too excited. Lock this. Okay. Oh my gosh, I feel like my mom is gonna call me. Oh, the box almost open. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I got the gold one too. Because I don't know. No one cares about those. We care about the phone. Y'all, oh my gosh. Wow. Hello. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. But I got the, I don't know what I got. I got the 64 gigabytes. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at this. Look at this gold. Like, it's crazy. It's so cute. It's so cute. I don't have any cases for this phone. So I'm going today to the mall. Well, not to the mall. I don't know where I'm gonna vlog that. Me getting some cases and a screen protector and stuff, you know. But oh my gosh, I had to come sit in the car because it needed Wi-Fi. Because I don't have Wi-Fi to have unlimited, but yeah, I need Wi-Fi, but I realized that I have Wi-Fi on my phone, like I have personal hotspot. So I'm doing that now. Like, y'all, this is so cute. I love it. Setting it up now. Okay. Well, I guess this is the intro because I recorded a unboxing video, but it deleted, I guess, off my 7. So yeah, I got a new phone and I was trying to show y'all, but it deleted when I was backing up or something like that. I don't know. But yeah, this is just a little vlog about going to get some stuff for the phone. Okay, we at TJ Maxx, cause yeah, I'm trying to find like a few for now. Not a lot. This camera is so zoomed in, is it not? People are looking at me. I can't zoom out. But not this. Guess what? People come. Where? Okay. It just can't. It's like a strip mall. But oh, my hair looks horrible. Very bad. But we just came from TJ Maxx and we put our stuff, well, my stuff in the car, and now we're walking.
Surprising.
Yeah, I wasn't gonna walk at first, but you know.
I like it.
I don't know.
You'll do something like that. I'll go back to an 8.
I mean, not really, but this hand wanna chip and stuff. This is gel, can you believe it? It looked like dip powder. And everybody asks me, are these your real nails? Why did we get over here so early? Are these your real nails? Like, yes. They are my real nails.
Get out the road.
You had me in the road. Now we're at, this is the one I was talking about. You don't listen to me ever. But now we're at 5 and Below. Cause you know, it's 5 and Below.
Bro, Jay.
And cheap. Really? He stays in here. Okay. So we just got back from them stores and stuff. And I tried on all my cases and I like them. So I'm gonna show y'all them. I just got 3 of them for now to start off with. But this is like a little mini haul because I'm gonna get some probably tomorrow. I don't know, maybe not. But I got this glass, tempered glass. I dropped my phone. I don't drop my phone a lot, for a knock on wood. It's just like I be like facing it face down and then like little cracks come on it. So I gotta get a screen protector. And I got this from TJ Maxx for like $5. And then I got this clear case. It's like a bumper. See? Clear bumper with a rose gold side. I got mostly clear cases because I wanted to show off the gold. It's cute. But yeah. This one was $8, I think. And then these next 2 are from Target. And I got this one. It's like clear. It's clear, like I said. And this one was like 15, I think. Yeah, 15. And then I got another clear one. It really don't make sense now that I'm home that I got so many clear cases. Oh well. I like these kind. This is the casemate kind. It's like 2 parts all the way clear. Dang, they talking about. But yeah, this was 15 too, I believe. I just gotta wait to get my Apple case because I couldn't pay, you know, however much money it is. They're pretty pricey, like $50 or $40, I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna get me an Apple case, but I don't know when. But yeah, that was all for this little unboxing vlog video, whatever. Make sure you and subscribe. And yeah.
Check. Keep hosing. Check. Run up a